may na-receive ako email from YouTube saying that they have some changes in taxes. Hi guys, this is Teacher Jessa and welcome to my YouTube channel. Sa mga hindi pa nakakilala sa akin, my name is Jessa and I'm a teacher, financial advisor, and also a YouTuber. Sometimes, frustrated cook. Frustrated cook. So, eto na nga guys. This video is for all big or small YouTubers. So, early in the morning, may na-receive ako email from YouTube saying that they have some changes in taxes. Yung title ng email niya is Upcoming Tax Changes to Your YouTube Earnings. Nagulat ako kasi, diba, magkakaroon ng changes sa tax. So, malamang, alam niyo na. So, hindi ko alam guys kung nasendan din kayo na ganitong email about sa tax changes. So, ito yung nilalaman ng email. We are reaching out because Google will be required to deduct US taxes from payments to creators outside the US later this year. So, as early as June 2021. So, it means that lahat ng earnings na magigain natin from all the US viewers ay itatax na nila. Ayun. So, aside from our tax na binabawas dito sa atin, yung regular tax natin, di ba? Pag tayo ay YouTuber, meron talaga tayong tax. Ngayon, magkakaroon na ng tax kahiwalay ha. Okay, yung tax kahiwalay sa US. So, bakit importante na malaman nyo yung tungkol dito? Kasi guys, pag hindi nyo inasikaso yung changes sa tax ng YouTube sa mga na-earn natin from US, ay magkakaroon tayo ng 24% deduction from our total earnings. So, dapat, once you receive an email, dapat asikasuhin nyo na agad yung inyong tax form from US. Before May 31, dapat nagawa na natin to guys. Kasi by June, it would take effect. So, if ever na hindi nyo to nagawa, automatically, you will be deducted 24% from your total earnings. So, ito namang changes sa tax na ito, guys. Ito ay magiging applicable lang sa mga US monthly earnings natin. Say, for example, meron tayong mga viewers from US. On that month, naka-earn tayo ng $100 from the US viewers. Kung ilang percent yung ma-assess ni YouTube sa channel natin na tax, yun ang kakaltasin nila sa ating US earnings. So, say for example, we earned $100 from our US viewers. And then, yung tax natin is 30%. E di yung magiging total earnings na lang natin from US alone is only 70%. Okay? Or yung $70 na lang. And then, possible na yung ma-assess na tax natin is from 1% to 30%. Malalaman nyo lang once na na-submit nyo na yung form kung ilang percent yung magiging tax nyo from US. Kaya dapat maasikaso natin ito before May 31. Para yung total earnings natin worldwide ay hindi magkaroon ng automatic deduction na 24%. So, di ba ang laki nun? Say, for example, for a month, ay sumeldo ka ng $1,000. And then 24% of that ikakaltas nila sa inyo. So, kaya ginawa ko rin itong video na ito ay para ipakita sa inyo kung paano natin isasubmit yung ating tax form sa kanila.
A few moments later.
So, first thing that we need to do is punta tayo sa Google AdSense. And then, pag punta nyo sa Google AdSense, ito yung magre-reflect sa inyo. Ayan. And then, punta tayo sa payment. Doon natin makikita yung tax form ng US. And then, so may shortcut dito but I want to show you on how are you going to do it without the shortcut. Actually, pwede nyo i-click yung notification there sa taas. Okay? But I want to teach you how to locate it. Punta sa Manage Setting. And then, punta tayo sa United Tax Info. So, ito na yun, dito na tayo magsisimulang mag-apply ng tax for US. So, imagine, taxpayer na tayo ng US. Okay, so just click Add Tax Info. And then, mapupunta tayo sa another window. At this part, we just have to log in our email address, password. Ayan. And then after this, ayan. And then after this, ito yung makikita nyo. Okay, so to find the right tax form, dapat daw is, alam natin kung yung ating YouTube channel ba is for individual or for business. So, ito, non-individual or entity, it means that is for business and this one is for individual. So, kiklik natin yung individual. Dahil individual yung aking channel. Okay? And then, are you a citizen or resident in US? No. Ayan. Kasi ito guys, itong bagong tax changes na to, this is for all YouTubers outside US. Ayan. So, this is applicable for us. Ayan. And then, W8 then, ito yung form na non-US individuals, okay? And then ito namang W8ECI. This is a form for non-US business entity. So we are individuals, so we have to click W8 then. And then start W8 then form. So ito na yung form ng tax na ating isasubmit sa kanila. Ayan. So to make sure that this information is exactly the same as on your tax documents and that the form is signed by an authorized representative legal entity. Ayan. So, DBA, doing business, name as, okay, disregarded entity. So, wag na yan. Tingnan nga natin. Doing business, DBA name company. Okay. A disregarded entity is a business entity. The single owner is the corporation. Okay, so hindi tayo bagay dyan dahil tayo individual. YouTuber lang. Okay, and then lagay natin yung ating country. We are the citizen of the Philippines. Naman. Quarantine. Optional. Unless you are claiming for a tax free. Okay, so quarantine, dapat pala ilagay natin ang ating SIN number. Yan. So, next. Okay, and then ito naman yung address. Permanent address natin. Link lang natin dyan. Lagay natin yung address natin. Yan. Postal address is permanent. Yes. Are you claiming a reduced withholding tax under the tax treaty? Yes. Resident of country claiming with U.S. tax treaty. So what is our country? Philippines. So special rates and condition. You may be exempt or have taxes with a reduced rate on certain income types earned within U.S. This reduced rate and exceptions vary among countries and specific types and specific income types. Select all apply to you. You can claim any future income type that you may plan to earn from Google products. I see. So, plan to earn. Kasi as of now, we are earning for Google AdSense. Ayan. So, i-check ko na lang siguro siya lahat. Kasi baka naman mag-earn din ako sa motion picture, YouTube, ayan. So, check natin lahat. Yan, sa copyright. Just to make sure. Diba? So, kung ano yung pinakamababa, yun yung ating kukunin. Or yun yung ating i-click. Okay? So, for the Google AdSense, 0% lang yung pinakamababang tax. For motion picture, 15%. And for other copyright, 15%. Okay? So, let's go to the next one. Ayan. Ayan. Form. I confirm that I have reviewed the tax documents of the best. Let's see. Before I click next, I need to make sure na tama lahat ng information ko. Ayan. So, lagay lang natin yung full legal name dito sa gilid. And then, click next. Activities and services performed in use. Has the individual or entity identified in the tax identity section performed any activities or services for Google in the US? No. I performed an activity for Google within the US. No. I certify that the services provided to Google or its affiliate will be performed solely outside the US and that any labor or capital, including facilities or other tools used to provide such services will be physically located outside the US. Okay. Status change affidavit. Are you providing tax info for a new or existing payment profile that hasn't received payment or existing payment profile that has previously received payment? I am providing tax info for a new and existing profile that hasn't received payment. I am providing tax info for an existing payment profile that has previous. Okay, so in my status, wala pa po akong payment na nare-receive from YouTube, kaya i-click ko yung una. Okay, so I am expecting that by March or April, makaka-receive na ako ng sahod ko sa YouTube. So, i-click muna natin yung first dahil I hasn't or dahil hindi pa talaga ako nakaka-receive ng sweldo from YouTube. Okay, so submit now. What is that? Okay, approve. Hmm. Claim. Okay, so ang bilis lang niya, guys, no? So, pagka-submit ko, approve na agad, tapos claim. Lahat ng deduction or lahat ng reduction for my taxes na in-apply is nakuha ko na kaagad. So, I certify that the services provided to Google and its affiliate will be performed solely as outside the US and that any labor or capital, including facilities or other tools used to provide such services will be physically located outside the US. So, yeah, I think that's it. And I think I did the right thing. So, yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me with my tax application in US. In US talaga. So, tax application to reduce my tax from US. Ayan. So, ayun. Dapat gawin nyo na to guys once you receive this kind of email para hindi na kayo ma-deductionan or para hindi na kayo malagyan ng deduction na automatic 24% of your tax. So, di ba sobrang laki nun? So, kapag naman pala nag-apply ka, marireduce siya possibly into 0%. Okay? Depende sa kung ano yung mga rates kung saan nagagaling yung inyong yung mga income nyo. Say, for example, there's a motion picture and TV, other copyright, and then services. Okay? So, ayun, dapat gawin nyo na to, okay? And that's all for today. Thank you so much for joining me with this. Thank you so much, and you do have a wonderful day. Bye! And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment in this video. Thank you!